Good afternoon, students. Our today's topic is related to the prospectus. Prospectus is the third important document which is prepared by the public limited company, not by the private limited company. So, बच्चे important thing is that in the prospectus that it is prepared by the public limited company, not by the private companies. Okay. So, what does it mean, beta? Prospectus is issued by the public limited company to obtain money from general public. If any public company wants to obtain the obtain the money from the general public, then they will issue the prospectus for the contribution of public. So prospectus is a legal document, any document which is notice, circular, advertisement that invite the public to subscribe and purchase of shares and debenture of the company, or invite public for the investment in the securities of the companies. Means to say that any notice, any advertisement which invite the public for the subscription of shares and debenture and invite the public for the investment in securities of the company is known as prospectus. So what are the essential elements for the prospectus? There are three important elements. The first one is prospectus must be invitation to public. So it is clear that in the prospectus, through the prospectus, it is the invitation to the public. Means to say that they invite the public, come and invest the money in the public, come and invest the money in the securities of the company. Second is invitation must be made by the company only. Okay, so invitation is necessary that it is made by the company or on behalf of the company. Third one is invitation must be to subscribe or purchase of its shares and debenture, not for any other thing. So these are the essential elements, or we can say that these are the objects of the prospectus. So here are some contents which tells us that in which information contained in the prospectus. The first one is main objective of the company, and along with the objective of the company, the signatory of the memorandum of association is also contained in this. Second one is a share capital. What is the authorized capital? What is the issued capital of the company? What type of shares are there? So this information is also in the prospectus. And third one is minimum subscription. Managerial personnel, means to say that body of authority. ठीक है, means who is the director, who is the proposed director, managing director, managers and any other persons of the organization, along with their remuneration is also specified in the prospectus. Minimum subscription. So बच्चे, as I told you that the company set a criteria for the minimum subscription amount before the allotment of shares. Opening of subscription list. The time of opening the subscription list shall not be earlier before the expiry of 5th day from the date of issuing prospectus. Means to say that all the subscribers who subscribe the shares before the allotment, this list is also prepared by the company. Application and allotment money, that money which is payable at the time of application, that money which is payable at the time of allotment and calls, it is also stated in the prospectus. Shares or debentures issued for the consideration other than cash. Sometimes company issue the shares or debenture on discount or premium and other than cash, means they will help the assets of the company for the issuing shares and debenture. So which method will adopt by the company is also stated. That share premium, as I told you beta, if shares are issued in premium, so the date of so it is also specified in the prospectus. Next one is underwriters. Underwriter, if the shares and debentures are issued with the help of underwriters, so the commission which is paid to the underwriter by the company is also specified in this. Preliminary expenses, the expenses before allotting the shares, which type of expenses bear by the company is also stated in the prospectus. And the next one is promoters. Amount to be given to the promoter. Apart from this, the extent of interest of the promoter in the company. So promoter will decide all the stages of the company, formation of the company. So what amount he has to be given is also specified in this. Auditors, means to say that CAs, so detail about their name, addresses and fees should be given. Apart from this, fixed place and time where accounts audited by the auditors can be inspected should be written. So all this information is also about the inspection of the accounts is also contained in the prospectus. Details of the business. मतलब all the details of the business about its existence, purchase of any existing business, or it is started in a new business. So this information is also contained in the prospectus. Property acquired, so detail about the property purchased, name and address of the seller. They will be paid cash payment or will be issue of shares or debenture. So it is also contained in this. Means to say that beta ki if you are purchasing any kind of property, so which seller is there for that particular property, and you are paying the cash for the property, or you are issuing the debentures or shares for that particular payment. So it is also contained in the prospectus. Next one is restriction in articles. If any company articles of association, there is any ban on the presence of the members of meeting, speaking, voting rights or transfer of shares. So it is also contained in the prospectus. Capitalization of profits and reserves, so detail about the valuation of the profits and reserves about the company is also mentioned in this. Time and place of the inspection, at which time and which place you will choose about the inspection of accounts. So it is also mentioned in this. Material contracts, so under this, date of each contract and name of the address of each party involved in the contract are given. Mainly those contracts which are related to the sellers of the assets, brokers, legal advisors, foreign collaboration. Sometimes Indian company wants to collaborate with the foreign company, so this information about this contract, this is also stated in the prospectus. So this is the main contents which are related to the prospectus. Thank you so much.